So we'll see that what are the, you can say, great vessels of the heart. Great vessels of the heart, this is what is said to be as the superior vena cava, which will be opening in the right atrium. Right atrium. So this is a superior vena cava. It is completely present right to the you can say this aorta as well as the pulmonary trunk. This will be there at the right part of upper border of heart. This is the superior vena cava, which will be there in, opens into the right atrium. Then you have got, this is the pulmonary trunk, which will be the outflowing orifice of right ventricle. So this is. Then you have got, this is the aorta. Aorta and pulmonary trunk, they are the arterial tube of visceral part of the serous pericardium along with the pulmonary trunk, they are the content. But whereas superior vena cava is the what? Venous tube of the what? Visceral part of the serous pericardium in particular and in general pericardium. So this will be the thing. This is called as a ascending aorta. Now ascending aorta has got the main two branch. One is right coronary artery. This will be the thing. Here it is lodging. And we have got at this point here, I mean to say this is the what? Left coronary artery. They are the main branch. So this is what the ascending aorta. Now let us will see the same thing in the what? Other specimen of the heart. So this will be the thing like this. So this will be the superior vena cava. So this will be the ascending aorta. This is the right coronary artery. This is the left coronary artery, which is the branch of this ascending aorta. And now you have got an arch of aorta, further continued part. So this will be there, arch of aorta. Then this arch of aorta has got the branch. This is what is said to be as innominate artery or brachiocephalic artery. Then you have got this and this. This is what is said to be as a left common carotid artery. This is left subclavian artery. Now this arch of aorta, further it will be having a continued here, that is called as the descending aorta. Now there will be a one important thing where you can see this. Now this one is the what? Arch of aorta, but it will be connecting to, this is a pulmonary trunk. There will be a communication, there will be a connection here. So this connection, what it will be there? This is called as patent ductus arteriosus or ductus arteriosus. So this will be the what? Pulmonary trunk divides into a right pulmonary and the left pulmonary artery, which are going for the what? Pulmonary circulation. Along with these arteries, the deoxygenated blood will be going to the lung. So this is what? Patent ductus arteriosus or ductus arteriosus. Ductus arteriosus, it is a what? In embryology, in the developmental phase, but it remain as a water duct or it becomes as a ligamentum. Now this is called as ligamentum arteriosum. Ligamentum arteriosum. Okay, ligament becomes means a duct becomes a ligament after the birth. So this is what main important thing you have to remember. So this is the descending aorta. It will be there from here. It has been taken out. It will be there in the thorax. So this is what ascending aorta, arch of aorta, descending aorta. So arch of aorta branches. You have got this is the innominate artery or brachiocephalic artery. This is the left subclavian, left common carotid artery. So this is the left subclavian artery. This thing. Okay. With this, the great vessels are finished. Ascending aorta branches, right coronary artery, left coronary artery here. Okay. With this, the great vessels has been demonstrated or has been shown on the specimen. Thank you.